Hey everyone, welcome to the MDM Minute. So today we are doing the official unboxing with a new product, first one in the lineup of the year, called the DNA Alter. And I believe some of you are already familiar with this guy. So again, custom box. We have just the symbols protection, which is earth, air, water, and fire. And then on the top, we have a beautiful carved emblem with the DNA Alter. Now, open this guy up, it reveals the magic inside. So these are laser engraved crystals, and they are massive. So this is the first piece that comes out is a pyramid, and I have done another video around this. And then of course we have the beautiful crystal that goes on top. And I'll put it on top of the box for the nice dark background so you can really get a good view of this. This product is pretty heavy. So this is a pyramid, 4 sides. We have the laser engraving of the flower of life, which goes horizontal across it. It's really kind of hard to see because there's so much reflective inside this particular altar. And you'll notice that we have 4 laser engraved DNA strands that go around it to help push that power out. And of course, now the power plant, I chose something very different than Moldavite, and I did a lot of research on this particular stone, and I was kind of surprised what the universe came back with. But nevertheless, I don't argue, I just do. And these are beautiful uncut rubies. Okay, and this guy just sits down in the center. You can already feel the power coming out of it. And then the power crystal just sits across it like that. So this is really the entire ensemble. Again, this is prototype. The final version may vary slightly, but this is almost production ready. And the way we activate this is vastly different than what we're used to. You would cup your hands around the outside without actually touching it, and you would speak these words, and I'm gonna activate it in real time. I'm just not gonna cup my hands around it. I just want you to feel power that comes out of this. Now there'll be a full write-up when it's ready, what it's going to do, but bing, 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 and it definitely has to do with DNA, obviously. This is the first product that I've created that has to do anything with DNA. So just put your attention on that ruby in the center, and imagine I had both of my hands wrapped around it. I am, I was, and I will be again. Poof, activated. The energy is very strong coming out of this. Oh my gosh. So these guys should be ready to go probably in the late May, early June. We're gonna have limited quantities. They're gonna go fast, so emails will be sent out prior to them going. But again, this is the DNA Alter. She's coming. She's spectacularly beautiful. It just radiates so much energy.